Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at how to write a blog post for beginners. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to identify blog topics you would like to write about, and each blog topic will be a broad topic. Under that there will be multiple subtopics. Okay, this is like a blog structure. So for example, if you're going to write about, say, baby clothes, then it might be newborn baby clothes, baby clothes for girls, baby clothes for boys. All of these are baby clothes, understood, or infant baby clothes. So you have to identify at least a couple of blog topics. I have a couple of videos on how to research blog topics, how to do keyword research properly, and also I am giving away some lifestyle blog post ideas and topics which I found have a low keyword, low search competition and moderate search volume. So you do check out these videos which will be linked below. Also, if you would like a blog template such as this one is the beginner's guides template, I have a blog course which will be linked below. Check that out for that. So let's get back to this. So what you have to do is identify the main blog topics and find the subtopics. So this is how you before even you write the blog post, you need to identify the topics. And what are these topics? Topics are what people are actually searching for. Suppose we are going to write about plants. So let's see, plants for home, plants for balcony, plants for sale. Suppose we are thinking, okay, for home, what are people looking at? They're looking at plants for the home garden, for decoration, then for, say, bedroom, for bathroom, then the plants with a purpose, say for air purifying, for um, clay soil. So different things. So first write down all the topics you would like to write about. Now what we have to do is find the main topic. So we did all this research and we decided that we will write about plants for balcony. Okay, now in the balcony, look at what people are looking for. So when you go to Google and you look here, you can see people are looking for vegetable plants for balcony, low maintenance plants for balcony, evergreen plants, best plants for sunny balcony. Each of these which you are reading here, each of these is a article, and you will write one main article. It will say plants for balcony. Inside that you will talk about vegetable plants for balcony, and you will write another article named vegetable plants for balcony, and you will link this in the plants for balcony article. So your main topic would be plants for balcony. So let's look at the structure. The blog topic will be plants for balcony. The subtopics will be these which we found: vegetable plants, low maintenance plants, evergreen plants, best plants for sunny balcony, best plants for balcony privacy, plants for balcony railings, and hanging plants. I hope you have understood. This is a basic how we write a blog post. We find what people are actually looking for and then we get started writing. So for a structure, I will be sharing another video. Stay tuned for that. Do check out the other videos in the description.